everyone, welcome back to 41 Days of Functional Consultants Bootcamp. We are in day 4, and today we are going to discuss something more about a business central functional consultant. So, we'll be discussing about the business process. I'll be showing you the agenda for today, that is introduction to business central functional consultant, understanding business process, basics of business process mapping, identifying key stakeholders, and important checklist. So if you have missed the day 2 and day 3, which is exercise for day 1 and exercise solution for day 1, so you can please go and watch it in the YouTube channel. So here you can find it. This is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And here, if you go and click this playlist, you can see the playlist here, business functional consultant, and also I have the bootcamp playlist as well. So here you can find the basics of business central functional consultant. And if you want to join as a member, you can click here and join. So the members have access to the exercises and the solution. So the exercises and solution will be there for all the days, that is all the topics which we are going to cover in this bootcamp. Okay, so yes, let us just proceed. That is introduction to business central. So you can find very clear introduction to business central here. Anyhow, I'm going to give you only the basics, very overview of introduction to business central. So you can find it here, introduction to business central, which is in my playlist, business central functional consultant 101, mastering the essentials. So this is the very first video. Please go and watch this, because here you can find very detailed introduction to business central. So this is another important thing which I wanted to discuss with you all. This is my page. You can go and check here. If you go and check, you can find the ebooks. Okay, so mastering business central functional consultant Q&A, and this is AL mastery in 3 weeks, that is 21 days bootcamp content, book content. And this is Microsoft Dynamics AL programming interview questions. Okay, so whatever we have discussed here in 21 days, based on these things, I have framed some 100 plus question, not only 100 plus, is 120 plus questions, which are specifically on AL programming, whatever discussed here, which is with the question answer, scenario based question, direct question, and everything in this particular book. Okay, so I'll be leaving this link. Okay, so you can find this link here. If you just scroll down, you can get it, or else you can just click on this business central technical, you can find the books. Business central functional, you can find the book. And I'll be uploading the future books also here, ebooks here. If you want it, you can get it. So all the Indian residents can easily get it from here. And if you are a foreign resident and if you wanted to avail the book, please leave your comments. So this is for your information, and this 41 days bootcamp book is all will be available here in the future. Okay, and the interview questions and everything will be updated here, so please keep an eye on this. So let us start. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a comprehensive ERP solution. Okay, so it is an ERP solution, which is enterprise resource planning solution, part of Microsoft Dynamics family. It evolved from Dynamics Nav, offering cloud-based deployment and enhanced feature. So ERP ecosystem role is like Business Central occupies a vital space in the ERP ecosystem, specifically for small to medium sized businesses, by integrating various business functions with Microsoft's cloud technology. So this is the overall idea, introduction to Business Central Business Central. Okay, so key features of Business Central is what? Finance management, which offers a robust financial reporting, budgeting, and accounting functionalities. Sales and services, like managing customer relationship. It widely, it doesn't have a very big sales customer management services, but yes, of course, it has a small module. Supply chain, sales management is there. Okay, like sales processes and after sales services are there. Supply chain management includes inventory control, order processing, and procurement. Project management, which tracks the project cost, planning resources, and project progress. And reporting and analytics, which is a built-in business intelligence, which is customizable reports and analytics for data driven. We can bring in Power BI reports as well. So here you can see the benefits of Business Central, that is integration and scalability. So integration and scalability is like Business Central seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products like Office 365, enhancing productivity and collaboration. It is highly scalable, adapting to business growth and changing requirements, which is ideal for business planning to expand. Okay, so next one is flexibility and mobility. Business Central offers tremendous flexibility, allowing business to customize and extend its capabilities through various apps and add ons. The cloud based nature of Business Central provides mobility, enabling access to business functionalities from anywhere, which is crucial in today's remote working environment. And it also has enhanced data security and compliance. So, Business Central provides robust data security features, ensuring sensitive business information is protected. It's built to comply with a range of industry standards and regulations, aiding businesses in meeting their compliance obligations. This aspect is particularly critical in sectors where data security and regulatory compliance were paramount. So, understanding a business process, this is very important for all the functional consultant, the business process. First of all, let us understand what is business process. A business process is a collection of linked tasks or activities that results in the delivery of a specific service or products. These processes are like it's a methodical and repeatable, forming the backbone of all operation activities in an organization. So if you go to my playlist, okay, so here you can see member only functional consultant mastery. You can see there is a member only playlist where in this playlist I have explained about the business, that is business process, specifically in supply chain, and business process in sales order processing. So I have explained step by step in detail. Okay, so if you wanted to watch this, you can watch this. So this is the business process, and because business process is like a linked task. Okay, so what is the importance in organization? Business processes are integral in streaming operations, making them more efficient and effective. By establishing clear and optimized processes, organizations can ensure consistent quality in their products or services, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. Moreover, well defined processes are fundamentals for organizational growth, adaptability, and achieving strategic goals and objectives. So, business processes facilitate better resource management, improve employee understanding of the roles, and aid in measuring and maintaining quality standards. So, that is why we need business process. So there are three types of business process. One is a core process, which are core process are fundamental activities that directly contribute to the business's primary mission and value propositions. So you can see examples like manufacturing products, executing sales strategies, and providing customer services. So these processes are central to the business success and directly impact customer satisfaction and revenue generation. Next type of process is what supporting process. So supporting process, while essential, do not directly contribute to the product or services value, but facilitate the smooth functioning of core processes. So you can see the example like activities like human resource management, accounting, and IT support fall under this category. So they provide necessary infrastructure and support, ensuring that core processes operate effectively and efficiently. The third type of process is called management processes. Management processes involve strategic decision making and governance activities that guide and oversee both core and supporting processes. So, example of management processes are like strategic planning, budgeting, and implementing corporate governance policies and typical management processes. They play a critical role in setting directions, allocating resources, and ensuring compliance with law and regulations. So analyzing business process, how can you analyze business process? So you can analyze business process in three ways, that is process mapping, identification of inefficiencies, and suggestions for improvement. So first one is like process mapping. Process mapping involves creating a visual diagram that illustrates the sequence of business process from start to finish. So it identifies each step, the stakeholder involved, as well as the inputs and outputs of each stage. This tool is crucial for visualizing the flow of activities and identifying areas for potential optimization. Next to talk about is identification and inefficiencies. Pinpointing delays. This aspects involves closely examining the mapped process to pinpoint areas of inefficiencies. So the common issues are like identifying delays, redundant steps, and bottleneck is key. It also includes analyzing resource allocation and workflow efficiencies to determine areas that hinder optimal performance. And next to talk about is the suggestions for improvement. So, suggestions typically involve streamlining processes to enhance efficiency. This can include integrating new technologies or adopting new methodologies that improve process flow, reduce waste, and enhance overall productivity. So, the best practices in process management involves continuous improvement, stakeholders' involvement, and metrics and measurement. So continuous measurements like involve the regular review and update business process. So you can use the methodologies like Six Sigma or Lean to enhance processes. So examples are like a manufacturing company regularly review its production line processes. By adopting lean methodology, they identify and eliminate non-value added activities, reducing waste and improving efficiencies. Next one is stakeholder involvement. Actively involves employees and other stakeholders in the process analysis and improvement initiatives. So this emphasizes the need for a clear communication and proper training to ensure a successful implementation of changes. And finally, to talk about is what metrics. Okay, so metrics is to focus on establishing key performance indicators to measure the success and effectiveness of process. This utilizes data and feedback for informed decision making, ensuring that process involvements are aligned with actual performance and outcomes. So far we have been discussing about the key stakeholders. Like, so what? Who is a stakeholder? What are stakeholders? Stakeholders are individual or group with a vested interest in the success and outcomes of the projects or a business process. This includes anyone who is affected by or can affect the project's progression and results. So the importance of projects and business which are involved in stakeholders are like you can identify stakeholders based on the stakeholder analysis. You can even do interviews and surveys, or even you can review of documentation, analyzing project documentation, organizational charts, or something. Okay, so these are the today's section. Like, what we have learned is what is business process, what is stakeholders, and how we can identify the stakeholders and everything. So tomorrow we'll be discussing about the exercises for day 4. I'll be giving you a small scenario, and I will ask you to try the exercise to bring out the solution, whereas you can think about the solution. On day 6 I'll be discussing about the solution for this particular topic. If you have any queries, you can leave those queries in the comment section, where I'll be happy to help you. And the exercises and solutions will be available only for the members. So stay tuned. Take care and bye bye.